Good morning, darlings. I am making a quick video in prep for our manifestation workshop tomorrow. I am so excited to share what's been happening. I've been going back to some very old Abraham Hicks techniques that are, excuse me, not even talked about much right now. And one of them is called segment intending. And I can't wait to share that. And the whole purpose is to do something extremely measurable, to set up an experiment with you guys that you will report on in a scientific way. I'm going to explain all of that to you. I'm going to assume that you have some knowledge about the law of attraction. And that you are a student like I am and kind of devour everything that you can find about it. But I'm going to do a demonstration here because I think that it's important to see what I'm about when it comes to manifesting. So when you are, I love the symbolism of the magnet circle here. When you're balanced and you're in a calm state of mind, and able to sense your inner being, you are at your best as far as attraction goes, all right? And so as you go through your life, then ideally, you will manifest connections with people that reflect that. So you're going about your business, doing your own thing, and when somebody that is aligned to be in your life at that moment shows up, fantastic. Does it mean it's your soulmate? No, I don't know. Does it mean if it's your next job or it's money or whatever it is you're wanting to attract? That I don't know. But what I can promise you is that the more often you are in that state of being really relaxed and able to connect to your inner being, you're going to find yourself in the right place at the right time more often. All right? Now, what happens is that if life flips you upside down, so some kind of circumstances happened, you might have had an abrupt change in your living situation. That's what happened to me a few months ago. Or you may have somebody that passes away in your life, or you could just, somebody you love could be sick. There could be 1,000 things that can take your attention, flip your life upside down. And the irony of that is that then you really need connection. If you're looking for that spouse, or you're looking for money, or you're looking for a new career, or to lose weight, or whatever it is you're wanting, when your life is flipped upside down, watch what happens as you're going out and about and you're going into your where you live and you're looking for the things that you're looking for, and instead of attracting this wonderful person, you're actually repelling. Isn't that interesting? And you can chase the person right out of your life. So that's why taking personal responsibility for what turns your life upside down, and then, as always happens with a crisis, you end up being a stronger, better person, better human once you survive, right? And then you flip your life back right side up, and you're walking around and you're feeling not so needy, and you're willing to enjoy nature and enjoy life the way it is, but you're just going about your life, doing your thing, and all of a sudden you turn into that coffee shop, and bingo, it's connected. So that's why we are doing this workshop, because I sincerely believe that I can sincerely believe that I just got some interesting news. It flashed, so I got interrupted, I'm sorry. But I sincerely believe that we have an inner being that is our better half. And this is symbolized by this couple of darling angels here, that my better half is bigger than me, stronger than me, knows more than me, knows there is no time in that dimension. And so if I'm worried, I am not seeing the situation with the same perspective as my inner being, period. Okay, so that's our science lesson. And I wanted to draw cards for you because as you are a participator in this group, in this little manifesting workshop for tomorrow, I just want to allow the cards to do their thing. So I'm going to pull my cat cards, my kitty cat cards. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And for those of you who are not sure that you can come to this workshop, I'm talking to my workshop participators, but if you can't come today, don't worry, because I am going to be doing these. I think I'm going to do it weekly, because I'd rather do a quick little 30-minute presentation of the experiment, allow you guys to ask any questions for clarity, and then go on, right? And as we go forward, you guys are going to have results from these experiments. There's no question. Tina, with your permission, we need to talk, because Tina has a story. She had a 1-month experiment and her results were really spectacular. So I will connect and see if it's okay for us to share that story. But anyway, let's take and pull 3 cards and see what it is that the beautiful kitty cat tarot has for our manifesting workshop tomorrow. I'm just gonna bump my camera down a tiny bit so that it can see the cards better. Okay. All right, look, what do we have? We have the Fool. Nice. And we have, what is this? Oh, this is the 8 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles. Look at that feast. Okay. And we have the 7 of Wands. Okay. Okay, so the message, Fool's Journey. It's important that we are always open-eyed for the next adventure, right? I mean, yes, you're on a manifesting journey, and yes, you want to manifest something special that's coming your way. You definitely are in the waiting room for something, or you wouldn't even take the workshop. But the point is, though, that once we achieve what it is we're wanting, we're going to be wanting something else. And another thing is that today, the circumstances of today are the crop of the beliefs that you held several months ago, okay? Everything is manifesting every day. So open your eyes wide to the fact that there's something, a new adventure, a new manifesting journey being planted and harvested every single day, okay? There's a feast ahead. All of the work that you have done so far to learn how to be the better you and to manifest a life that's easier and full of abundance, the universe so notices how well you've done. And as you look at this card, what I'm seeing here is it's a little bit hard to receive. Look at the paw of the cat that's almost pushing that plate away, and yet the cat is hungry. So I believe the call is for us tomorrow in the workshop is to become better receivers, to take what's being given to us and learn how to have an experience of being provided for that we can take deep into our being, and that we can master receptivity, that we can master that ability to receive what's given to us, okay? And it's a brand new journey. This is giving me goosebumps all over myself. And then here, when I look at this card, I'm seeing such a difference in facial expression from either of these other 2 cats. This is someone who is sure. And I believe at the end of the workshop tomorrow, we're going to be very sure about one thing for sure, and that is the parameters of the experiment that you will set up tomorrow at the workshop. And that as you can measure the results for yourself, does the ability to change your attitude and the way you think about one of your issues, does it have the power in this workshop tomorrow, do we have the power to create some shift around the energy going on there so that you can see a result? All right? And I suggest that if we do this weekly, which I'm hoping to do, we can set an experiment up just for the week so that you can measure regardless of what happens. All righty? So, Thank you for listening. I got distracted there, and I'm just, what is it that's pulling me? Okay, I'm going to grab the Oracle deck here, and I'm going to pull an Oracle card for us. Thank you for watching. Okay. This is from the Enchanted Map. So when it comes to setting our GPS for tomorrow, what do we have? We are looking at the Mountain card. Okay, this is perfect because this, look at the expression on this face. Look how it's frozen in time. And it's a look of, okay, I'm open. All right, see me, I'm open, but I dare you to get close to me. This is what I'm seeing. And so I feel like this is particularly true in my life about my inability to receive because I have certain patterns of behavior and ways of thinking that feel safe to me. They keep me safe for sure, but do they also keep me closed from receiving everything that the universe has for me? When I look at the light that's flowing in over to the left, we're looking at that beautiful window where this warm, delicious light is starting to come in and shine on this mountain. I believe that the universe has for us congratulations for how far we've come, for how much light we're letting into our life so far, and huge potential that we can flow, that everything can become liquid and flow through us, out of us, and then we're ready to really serve the world better. So that's our little message. I wasn't sure what was going to happen. I didn't even know I was going to do a reading for this group, but I'm glad I did. I feel very excited about tomorrow's workshop. Again, if you cannot make it, don't worry. We're going to be doing many of these. I just feel a sense of urgency and also a sense of excitement about what can be done through the virtual world, where we don't have to travel to one another, to come together and create some very important changes for ourselves. So welcome to Manifesting with Catherine, and I can't wait to have our meeting tomorrow. Take care now and have a beautiful day.